Hello. Are you free?
Yes. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the subway station.
Okay. Please get in.
How much is it?
It's $10.
That's fine. Please go fast. I'm late.
Don't worry, I will drive fast and safe.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Do you know the station well?
Yes, I drive there every day.
That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please relax.
I see the station now.
Yes, we are almost there.
Thank you. Here is $10.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Hello. Can you take me to the hospital?
Yes, please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, only 10 minutes.
Okay. How much will it cost?
It will be $8.
That's fine. Please go quickly.
Yes, I will. Please wear your seatbelt.
Okay. Do you go to the hospital often?
Yes, many people go there.
Is it busy now?
A little, but not too much traffic.
That's good. I have a doctor's appointment.
I see. I will try to be on time.
Thank you. You are kind.
You're welcome.
Oh, we are here.
Yes, this is the hospital.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change, $2.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care. Hello. Can you take me to Riverdale Mall?
Yes, of course. Please sit.
Thank you. Is there traffic now?
A little, but I know a faster way.
Okay, that's good.
Do you want me to turn on the AC?
No, thank you. Can I open the window?
Sure, go ahead.
How much is the ride?
Around $12.
That's okay. Not too expensive.
We will be there in 15 minutes.
Can you stop near the main door?
Yes, I will stop close to the entrance.
Thank you. I have heavy bags.
No problem. I will help you.
You are very kind.
You're welcome, miss.
Here is $12.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
Hello. Are you a taxi driver?
Yes, I am. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, I want to go to the train station.
Okay. Please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, it's about 15 minutes.
How much is it?
It is $12.
That's okay. Let's go.
All right. Please sit and relax.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, I work every day.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like meeting people.
That's nice.
We are almost there.
Great. I need to catch my train.
Don't worry. You are on time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are here.
Here is $15.
Thank you. Your change is $3.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good trip. Hello. Taxi.
Hi. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the subway station, please.
Okay. Please get in.
Can we stop at a small shop first?
Sure. Do you want snacks or water?
Yes, I want to buy water.
No problem. I will stop at a shop on the way.
Thank you. Is the weather always hot here?
Yes, it is hot in the afternoon.
It is too hot today.
Yes. Do you want the window open or AC?
AC, please. The sun is very strong.
Okay. The ride will take 20 minutes.
How much is the ride?
It will be $10.
That's fine. Can I have your number?
Sure. Do you need a taxi tomorrow?
Yes, I have a flight in the morning.
I can pick you up. Just call me.
Thank you very much. You're very helpful.
You're welcome, miss.
Here is $10. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good trip.
Bye.
Bye too.
Hello. Can you take me to the airport?
Yes, please get in.
Thank you. How far is it?
About 25 minutes.
Okay. I have a flight soon.
Don't worry. I will drive fast and safe.
How much will it cost?
Around $25.
That's fine. Do you take card?
Yes, card and cash both.
Good. Do you go to the airport often?
Yes, many passengers go there every day.
Do you know the fastest way?
Yes, I will take the highway.
Great. I don't want to be late.
Relax. You will reach on time.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, we are here.
Yes. This is the airport.
Here is $30. Keep the change.
Thank you, sir. Have a safe flight.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Taxi.
Hi. Where are you going?
Please take me to Grand City Hotel.
Sure. Please sit.
Is it far from here?
No, only 10 minutes.
Okay. How much is the fare?
About $12.
That's fine. Please go quickly.
Yes, I will.
Is the hotel near the park?
Yes, very close.
That's good. I will meet my friend there.
Nice. Do you visit here often?
Yes, I come for business trips.
I see. Many people stay in that hotel.
Do you like driving in this city?
Yes, but traffic is sometimes heavy.
True. The city is very busy.
We are almost at the hotel.
Okay. Please stop near the lobby.
Sure. Here we are.
Here is $12. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hello. Are you free now?
Yes, where do you want to go?
Please take me to Central Café.
Okay. Please sit down.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Good. I'm meeting a friend there.
That sounds nice.
Is the cafe near the library?
Yes, just across the street.
Perfect. How much is the ride?
It will be $10.
That's fine. Please drive safely.
Don't worry. I always drive safe.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Me too. Coffee makes me happy.
Same here.
Okay, we are near the cafe now.
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Here is $10.
Thanks. Have a good time at the cafe.
You too.
Bye.
Hi. Can you take me to Green Park?
Yes, please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, just 12 minutes.
Great. How much is the fare?
Around $9.
That's good. Please go quickly.
Yes, sir.
Do many people visit the park?
Yes, families and children come every day.
That's nice. I want to relax there.
Good idea. The park is very calm.
Do you go there sometimes?
Yes, with my kids on weekends.
That's wonderful.
We are almost at the park.
Okay. Please stop at the main gate.
Sure.
Thank you. Here is $10.
Thanks. Enjoy your time in the park.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Can you take me to my office?
Yes. Where is your office?
It is on Main Street, near the bank.
Okay, I know that place.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Good. How much will it cost?
Around $15.
That's okay. Please go faster.
Sure, but safely.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I drive every day.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I meet many people.
That's interesting.
Thank you. I like talking with passengers.
We are near my office now.
Yes, just one more block.
Okay. Please stop here.
Sure.
Here is $20. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good day at work.
Thanks. You too.